Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stops working properly. Then you can try to force the power off operation. So all we have to do right now to accomplish that is to press the power button and the volume up button together and wait until we'll see the black screen. Probably the device will now restart itself, then you will just have to need the power button. Let me try to do it. Let's try to restart it. I mean, at least soft reset it. So let me press both of those buttons and let's keep pressing all the time. Keep pressing. It should take approximately around 8 seconds, as you can see. And fortunately, this device will restart itself. So we had the black screen. Right now we've got the developer's logo, which means that in a second our device will be successfully restarted and turned on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.